ServiceNow training by LearnNow. Today we are going to learn about the use cases of after business rules. In the last video we covered before business rule, insert, update, delete and query. You can refer to the ServiceNow business rule playlist from NowLearn. Okay, let's come to the after business rule use cases. First one is insert. Create an incident task on insert of a new incident with channel phone. Okay, we need to create an incident task. Whenever a new incident is inserted with a field called channel has a value phone. Let's see. Okay, so this is the field channel, and if it is phone, then we need to create an incident task. First, I'll just see how it is, works as out of box. Okay, there is no incident task created for now. Let's just create. So we will be using after insert because insert operation we are performing on this incident table, but after, because we need to insert the record in the related table, not the same incident table. Okay, our table will be incident channel is phone, but where is after? After. So we are using a initialize method to create a new record on incident task incident. Let's pick up a SysID from there. This is a history of a hardware group that I created customized. Okay. And we should attach this incident task to the incident. Okay, we have write the script, just need to insert. So here we are initializing a record, empty record, and populating short description, assignment group and incident. Okay, let us just save this PR. This is the empty record. Channel should be phone. Let's just save and see if the record is inserted. Okay, I can see incident task with short description, hardware, and since it is showing on the incident is also populated. Great. Let's. This is how insert after business will work. Now let's move to the second use case. Update 1. If all the childs are closed, close the incident. So basically if all the incident tasks are closed related to this current incident, we should close the incident also. Or we can resolve it. Basically the resolving the incident is a better approach. So we will be resolving it, no issue. Let me just create one or two incident tasks. Okay, now let's just create a PR. Okay, since we are updating the task record, then we will be using this VR on the task table after update. When we return state changes to close complete. We need to update the incident. So I have written a script on incident table, getting the current incident that is attached with the incident task and state updating its state to cancelled. But one thing here, if that incident has multiple incident tasks, just now we created two tasks. If one is closed and another is still open, we cannot resolve the incident. So we need to check if when all of the incident tasks are close complete. So I'm glad recording the incident task table to verify whether all the tasks related to that incident is closed or not. I need to check if any active incident. If not active, Then I need to resolve the incident. Let me just explain this once more. I am going on an incident task table and checking which tasks are related to that incident. So if I get one, two, three, I can have multiple tasks. Then I'm checking whether they are active or not. If any active task is found, we are not going to resolve the state of the incident. And if no active task is found, then we will be resolving that incident. Okay, let's just save and test once. So this is our incident. This has two tasks. I am going to close the first one and save. Let's see if the incident is resolved. No. Okay, one more thing I just want to highlight. While resolving an incident, we need to provide the resolution code and resolution notes because they are the mandatory fields. Let me just add them also. Close code is a backend name for resolution notes. So just save this. On incident, we have one closed and one is open. Let's just close the second one also. Okay, let's move to the incident C. Yeah, this is how it is resolved. So we have resolved this incident using the after update BR. Let us move to the third use case, which is, I guess, delete after BR. If incident task is deleted, incident should be cancelled. Okay. So as we have created an incident and incident task is auto created, we need to delete the incident task and the state should be cancelled because there is no related incident task to it now. Test phone. If I save this, we have a task here. If I delete this task for some reason, incident should be cancelled. Okay, go to the BR. Okay, incident tasks table. Whenever a record is deleted after deletion, we need to change the state to cancelled. Okay, let's just check. Okay, I have we have an incident field on the incident task. So I'm just glide decoding the incident table to get that particular incident and update its state to it, that is cancelled. This is the condition, like this is a database operation delete. Once our record is deleted, this BR will be executing. Sorry. So we have already a task or incident is here. Let us just open it and delete this task. See, the incident state is cancelled. But there is one more thing here. If there are multiple tasks on the same incident, so what will happen then? According to this BR, it will cancel the state, but we should check whether there are other active BRs, sorry, active tasks on that same incident. Then we should not do it, right? Let's just fix this here. One task is created, second one we will be creating here. So we have channel is not found, no issue. So you get why the first one is not created, because the incident channel is not found. It is empty. That's why the auto creation of task will not happen. Okay, now we have two tasks. Let us just update our incident. Incident task, incident. Incident task, current incident. If we do not find any other incident, then we just make the state cancel. Okay, let's save this. Okay, let's test this out. First we will be deleting this 75 and let's see what is the change on incident. Delete. Okay, I guess we have still new state because there is one incident still left. If we delete this one also, state should change to cancel, right? And it is getting cancelled. So this is how you can use delete after BR. We have another one, third one is query. Because I have not written here query. I'll tell you why. Query BR, when this query BR will run, whenever the form loads or before the database executes the query. If you remember, I have shown you one diagram there. So query BR will run before the form is loaded or before the list is loaded for the user. But once you are working on a database, you see the list is already there on the user interface. You perform database operations before insert, update, delete, after insert and update and delete. So after deletion, there is no point of running a query BR. You got my point? Like query has already happened when when the list is loaded for the user. There is no point in running the query BR after all the database operations has happened. So that's why in after there is no query BR. Okay, this is all about after BR use cases. In the next video, we will be seeing async BR. Thank you, and please do like, subscribe my channel for more informative videos.